So I thought that it would be pretty difficult to install the rear fender on the 72 volt limited edition Onyx, but after cutting the wires for the brake, I was dedicated to going ahead and completing the job, and looks like I got a nice clean install, and I found some custom screws to put in, so that turned out great, and I did everything in one day. I got the bumper on the front of the limited edition RCR, and I got the both bumper kit on the 80 volt Onyx RCR. So today's been a good day of just standing inside chilling because it's been pretty hot here in North Carolina. It was like 90 degrees today, and so decided not to ride and just get out here and get me a good spend a little time just working on my bikes, and so everything turned out wonderful. So I got both batteries charged up. I might end up taking them both for a ride tomorrow. And now I'm getting ready to put the seat back on and the cover back on, and take and maybe tomorrow I'll take it for a spin, and just making sure that I got both turn signals in the right position. And I like this new addition of my brake light, because I think the other light that I had in there, and whenever I hit the brake on the limited edition, it pretty much almost stayed the same, and you couldn't really tell a big difference. So that's definitely a bonus as well. So this has been another successful install of the rear bumper, and this magnetic one on the front is going to serve me well when it comes to keeping mud off of the front part. And I'm glad I got this little lip back here now, because I was getting a whole lot of dirt flapping up on my back. So slowly but surely, my babies are coming together.